Today, I am reviewing the LWQ Portable Power Pressure Washer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have been looking for a way to blast away years of grime from your driveway or give your car a proper deep clean without spending a fortune on professional services, you have probably stumbled across the LWQ Portable Pressure Washer. It promises a lot, from high-pressure cleaning to easy storage, but does it actually hold up when you are standing in your driveway on a Saturday morning? Or is it just another piece of plastic that will end up collecting dust in your garage? I have been using this unit for the past few weeks on everything from my muddy truck to the moldy wood of my back deck, and I have some very specific thoughts on whether or not it belongs in your tool shed. You can check the links below the video if you want to explore the product or see its current pricing, but let us dive into the actual experience of using it. The first thing you notice when you take this out of the box is that it is definitely built with portability in mind. It is not one of those massive, gas-powered beasts that you need a trailer to move. It is compact, lightweight, and the two rollers on the bottom make it incredibly easy to drag around the side of the house. I found that I could move it from the front driveway to the back patio without any real strain, which is a massive plus if you have a larger property. The anti-tipping design at the base is actually a thoughtful touch because there is nothing more annoying than a pressure washer that falls over every time you pull the hose a little too hard. That said, because it is lightweight, it does feel a bit plasticky. Do not go into this expecting industrial-grade steel construction. If you treat it with respect, it will survive, but if you are the type of person who tosses their tools around, you might find that the chassis feels a little fragile over time. Now, let us talk about the actual cleaning power. The marketing materials claim a flow rate of up to 2.5 gallons per minute, and in my real-world testing, it does a decent job for a residential-grade electric unit. When I was cleaning my car, it had enough pressure to strip away road salt and caked on mud without me having to get too close to the paint. However, if you're expecting this to strip old, peeling paint off a house, or blast through thick, calcified concrete stains that have been there for a decade, you're going to be disappointed. This is a light to medium-duty machine. It is perfect for routine maintenance, like washing the car, cleaning off patio furniture, or rinsing down a sidewalk, but it is not a commercial-grade tool. If you try to push it beyond its limits, you will find yourself wishing for more raw power, but for the average homeowner, it is perfectly adequate for those weekly chores. The 4 quick connect nozzles are a standard inclusion, but they make a world of difference. Having the 0-degree nozzle is great for those tiny, stubborn spots where you need a concentrated jet, but honestly, I spent most of my time using the 25 and 40-degree nozzles. They give you a nice, wide fan that covers more ground and prevents you from accidentally damaging whatever surface you are working on. I have seen too many people accidentally strip the clear coat off their car by using a 0-degree nozzle too close, so just be mindful of which one you pick. The quick connect mechanism feels snappy and secure, and I did not experience any leaks at the connection points during my testing, which is a common failure point on cheaper units. One feature I really appreciated was the detergent bottle. It is a simple addition, but it makes washing the car much faster. The fact that the chemicals do not pass through the internal pump is a huge win for longevity. I have had other pressure washers in the past where the soap ran through the pump, and eventually, the internal seals just disintegrated because of the harsh chemicals. By keeping the soap separate, you are likely going to get a much longer lifespan out of this machine. Just keep in mind that the foam it produces is more of a light spray than the thick, shaving cream-style foam you get from a professional-grade foam cannon. It works well enough to loosen up dirt, but do not expect a thick blanket of suds. Now, we need to talk about the setup because this is where a lot of people run into trouble. The instructions mention that you need to exhaust the air from the high-pressure hose and the inlet hose before turning it on, and I cannot stress this enough. Do not skip this step. If you just plug it in and flip the switch without bleeding the system of air, you're going to get a sputtering, inconsistent stream that feels like the machine is broken. Take the extra 30 seconds to run the water through the system first with the nozzle off. Once you do that, the pressure is consistent and the motor runs smoothly. It is a minor inconvenience, but it is the difference between a machine that works perfectly and one that you think is defective right out of the box. In terms of storage, this thing is a dream for people with limited space. The hooks for the power cord and the nozzle holders mean you are not tripping over loose hoses or losing your attachments in the garage. It is compact enough that it slides right into the corner of my pantry. If you are living in an apartment or a townhouse with a small garage, you'll appreciate how little space this takes up. It is not an eyesore, and it is easy to tuck away when you are done. Let us be honest about who this product is for and who should stay away. If you are a professional contractor or a serious detailer, this is not for you. You need something with higher flow rates and more robust internals. If you buy this expecting to run it for 5 hours a day, every day, you're going to burn it out. However, if you're a homeowner who wants to keep the driveway clean, wash the family vehicle, or spray down the deck before a summer barbecue, this is a fantastic value. It hits that sweet spot between being affordable and actually being useful. It is not over-engineered, but it is not cheaply made to the point of being useless either. Are there downsides? Absolutely. The power cord is a decent length, but you will almost certainly still need an outdoor-rated extension cord if you have a large driveway. The hose itself is a bit stiff, which can make it a little annoying to maneuver around corners, and it has a tendency to coil up on itself if you're not careful. I also found that the plastic wheels, while functional, are a bit loud on concrete. They get the job done, but they do not exactly roll with the smoothness of a high-end tool. If you are working on very uneven ground, you might find yourself just picking the unit up and carrying it rather than rolling it, but given its weight, that is not a huge deal. I also want to touch on the water collection system. It says you can use a bucket, which is a nice feature if you do not have a faucet right next to where you are working. I tested this, and it works, but it does take a little bit of patience to get the suction started. If you are planning on using a bucket, make sure you have the bucket elevated above the pump, or you'll be fighting with it for a while. It is a convenient backup, but if you have a hose bib nearby, just use that. It is much easier. When you look at the price point compared to the utility, I think this is a solid purchase for the average person. You are getting a machine that does exactly what it says on the box. It is not trying to be a $500 professional rig, and it is not a flimsy toy. It is a practical, middle-of-the-road tool. I have been using it to clean my vinyl siding, and it does a great job of removing the green algae that builds up over the winter. It has enough pressure to clean without me worrying about forcing water behind the siding and causing rot, which is a real concern if you use a machine that is too powerful. If you are on the fence, consider how often you actually wash your car or clean your patio. If it is a monthly or bi-weekly thing, this will serve you well for years. If you are looking to do heavy-duty renovations or massive cleaning projects, you might want to look at something with higher PSI, but be prepared to pay significantly more. For most of my needs, this unit has been a time saver. It turns a job that used to take me 2 hours with a scrub brush and a bucket into a 30-minute chore that is actually kind of satisfying. There is also the matter of maintenance. Because this is an electric unit, you do not have to worry about oil changes, spark plugs, or old fuel gumming up the carburetor like you do with gas washers. You plug it in, you turn it on, and you go. When you are done, you unplug it, drain the water, and put it away. It is incredibly low maintenance, which is exactly what I want in a tool that I am not using every single day. I have had zero issues with the motor overheating, even when I spend about 45 minutes straight cleaning my back deck, but I do make sure to give it a little break if I feel the housing getting warm. It is just good practice to treat your gear well if you want it to last. One final thing to keep in mind is the water connection. The unit comes with standard fittings, but if you have a particularly old or leaky outdoor faucet, you might want to invest in a decent brass quick connect adapter. It makes the whole process of hooking up the hose so much faster and prevents those annoying drips that happen when the plastic threads do not quite seat right. It is a small upgrade that costs a couple of dollars but makes the entire experience much more professional. If you are still weighing your options, remember to check the links below the video to see if there are any current discounts or bundles available. Sometimes these units go on sale, and at a lower price point, this becomes an even better value. I have been genuinely happy with how it performs for my day-to-day needs, and I think that if you go in with realistic expectations, you'll be too. It is a straightforward, honest piece of equipment that does exactly what it promises, provided you take those few minutes to prime the pump and use the right nozzle for the job. It is not going to change your life, but it will definitely make your outdoor cleaning chores a whole lot less painful. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, this helps you decide if this is the right addition to your tool collection.